It's February 4th, 2021, and I'm in New Market, Indiana, on North 3rd Street. The New Market grade school is to the left. It was once the high school. Go Purple Flyers. And go New Market Rockets. I'm turning right onto Vine Street. I am now on Vine Street in New Market. I'm now going to turn right onto 4th Street. I'm still in New Market. It looks like we have what's called a dead end. So we're going to turn around right here. Center Street is to the right. That's also a dead end. Now we're going to do something called stopping at the stop sign. Nothing's coming, so we can go. This town is so large that it's easy to get lost if you don't know your way. Unfortunately, I do know my way. Stop. I think this is 6th Street. We're looking at the old greenhouse right now, the old Survey's greenhouse. Yes, it's 6th Street. All right. I'm not going to hit every street, but we'll hit a lot of the main streets here. We are on Main Street right now. and the wind is very cold. The post office is open. If anyone needs to mail a letter, you can do so. Stop sign. Okay, we're now turning right onto 3rd Street. To the right used to be the Enter Ford dealership. It opened up in 1920. It moved to Crawfordsville around 1993, I think. There's the Christian Church of New Market. We are now on Locust Street. Locust Street in New Market. There's the Baptist Church. Gonna turn left onto Pine Street. Now I'm going to turn right onto 2nd Street. Straight ahead to the left. Straight ahead to the left was where the lumber yard once stood. We are back on Main Street and we are headed east out of New Market. Gotta watch for traffic. I'm now turning left onto Circle Drive. This is where the rich people live. We are now going to make a circle. To the right these houses look about the same that they always did. To the right used to be the home of Dr. William Davis. He had a large swimming pool. And all the local kids would come over and swim in the pool. That's what I was told. I wasn't here then. Turning left onto Main Street. Newmarket has a Marathon gas station and convenience store. We are now turning left onto Park Street. I repeat, Park Street. This is where the park is, the Newmarket Community Park. I see a snowman. I played baseball here when I was little. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I think the park opened in 1973, I think, or 71, something like that. It's written down in there on a board, but I don't want to walk through the snow and get my sneakers all wet. I'll freeze to death. Yeah, there's nobody playing baseball right now. That might sting if you hit the ball when it's this cold. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you tied up your shoelaces before you started watching this. Don't want to get them caught up in the spokes, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and keep your feet on the pedal and keep on breathing. See ya. Goodbye, everybody. Adios.